I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. You know I live like a millionaire. You know I live like I ain't got a care in the world. But I do, I care.
Cool. The screens from the windows, I got a couple of them. Another aluminum ladder. This little motorcycle thing that's actually pretty cool. It's really heavy. I don't know what to do with it yet, but I'll think of something. This nice fire pit that my mom caught has the... that's actually metal. That looks like stone. That's pretty cool. Yeah, not that much of a big haul, but the aluminum ladder, the little motorcycle thing, the aluminum, the bike. There's a few other things down here, I think some wire. But yeah, not a big haul because it was mostly wood out there and stuff in bags. But that bike is actually pretty cool. It's like one of those little pocket bikes, but it's a little bit bigger. So yeah, that's going to be haul number 4, and I will take it all out and show you exactly what I got. But that's pretty cool.